perfect, clean, natural. The perfect pond. It's all nature, right? So why is the perfect pond so difficult? Nature isn't always perfect on its own. Muck, made from decomposing organic material, is all nature too. Those leaves, grass clippings, animal waste, it's all going somewhere. And that somewhere is your once perfect pond. Introducing from Turf Titan, Pond Perfector. Nature can be perfect. It just needs a little help. Pond Perfector is a natural pond probiotic, and with the power of microbes, feeds on the pond muck and nutrient runoff to reduce it naturally. The result is improved water clarity and decreased odor. Fertilizer runoff in your pond will increase algae growth, creating noxious odors and toxic ammonia. With Pond Perfector, that's all replaced by crystal clear water that's clean and safe for livestock, fish, birds, and most importantly, you and your fellow human beings. Perfection isn't impossible. It doesn't even have to be difficult. Not with Pond Perfector on your side all season long. Don't wait to find perfection. Create it yourself in your own pond with Pond Perfector. Turf Titan, may the best pond win.